Hello everyone. So welcome back to 230 question challenge. And what is new? What is new? I have updated this. I've updated this to include similar questions. We not just solve questions, but we also give a similar question for practice. So when we solve this, remember the solution is already here. Yeah, the solution is already here. 0.75 minus 1 equals minus 0.25. 1 divided by minus 0.25 is minus 4. But now this is a similar question for you to try, and this is the answer, 1 over 12. So you can go ahead and try it. Now solving question 42. And question 41 is already similar to question number 42. But if you give me this question to solve without wasting so much time, I will ask myself, I have 1.5. Okay, the only thing that can divide 1.5 to give me 5 is 0.3. 1.5 divided by 0.3 is 5. Since I already have 0.2, I need 0.1 to make it 0.3. Remember, an alternative solution is provided. Now solving question number 43. We are only looking for, if we divide this into 3 places, let's say we divide 1, and so we divide this into 3 places, and we are looking for a point. The point on a segment PQ that is twice as from P, twice from P, that is here. That is this point here, is 2 times from P as is from Q. We trace this to find the Y and trace this to find the S. S is 2, Y is 1. This is correct. If n is an integer, which of the following must be even? Just try it. If you use 2 to multiply any even number, that number will return even. Sorry, if you use 2 to multiply any integer, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 4 is 8. Both of them are even. So when you use an even number to multiply a number, the number will return an even. But when we said n plus 1, that means like 1 plus 1 is even. But what if n is 2? 2 plus 1 is odd. I hope you are getting it. And here is an alternative question for you to try. So the answer is already marked here. You can see the answer is marked here. But it's an alternative question that you can try. What's the best way to answer this type of question, or a safe way of answering this type of question? Choose a number. If 4 is one solution of s squared 3s plus k equals 10, where k is constant, what is the other solution? Remember, if 4 is a solution, then we can replace s with 4. So 4 squared is 16, 4 times 3 is 12, then plus k. When we solve this, we get k equals minus 18. So wherever we see k, we put minus 18. That is, it's going to be s squared plus 3s minus 18 equals 10. If we bring 10 inside here, equals 10. Yes. If we bring 10 inside here, remember it's going to be minus 10. So we have s squared plus 3s minus 28 equals 0. Remember, we are looking for 2 numbers. If we multiply them, it will give us minus 28. If we add them, it will give us 3. And those 2 numbers are 7 and 4. Minus 7 times minus 4 is minus 28. 7 minus 4 is 3. That's why we have minus 4 and 7. And if you turn up the other side of the equality, s minus 4, s plus 7. So the other side of the equality, s becomes 4, or s is minus 7. So the other root is minus 7. The sum 7 over 8 plus 1 over 9 is between what and what? The solution is already provided here if you turn this to a fraction. But if you want to solve this intuitively, why not say 7 over 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 equals 1. Remember, this is the same thing as 8 over 8 equals 1. But then 1 over 9 is less than 1 over 8. 1 over 9 is less than 1 over 8. Meaning that 7 over 8 plus 1 over 9 is not up to 1. Okay, so it is not up to 1. So it is between something and 1. So 1 is a good. It's not up to 1. But if you look at 7 over 8, 7 over 8 is already above 3 over 4. Okay, option 1 is not correct because 7 over 8 is more than half. Option 7 over 8 is more than 3 over 4. Option C is not correct because 7 over 8 plus 1 over 8 is not up to 1. So all these ones are wrong. And this one is, the first one is wrong. A is wrong simply because 7 over 8 is already more than 3 over 4. And here is a similar question you can attempt. Okay, let me know. Let's use the comment section to let me know your answer for the similar questions provided, also from the same book. Now solving question 47. What do you do here? You see, what is the then for what value of t does s equals y? So make s equals y. So you quote this 1 minus 3t equals 2t minus 1. Then solve t equals 2 over 5. Simple. And here is a similar question to try, number 54. Always let me know in the comment section. 1 minus half minus 2 over 3. Okay, so the solution is already provided here. I hope this is a very easy solution to follow. So this becomes so how do you want to do this? So you can first, what happened here? If you are following this solution, what happened here is, okay, say 1 minus half, okay, minus 2 over 3. 1 minus half minus 2 over 3. So 1 minus half is half. What of 1 minus 2 over 3? So what of 1 minus 2 over 3? 1 minus 2 over 3, is it not 1 over 3? Half minus 2 over 3. Okay, if you solve the bracket inside, if you solve the inside bracket first, so you have half minus 2 over 3. But if you do alternatively, if you solve this alternatively and say 1 minus half, okay, 1 minus half, then plus, if you open this bracket, plus 2 over 3. Maybe that could be faster if you solve this first, because you don't need to think about this. It's half, then half of 2 over 3. Then the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So this going here 3 plus this going here 4. That's 7 over 6. Same 7 over 6 anyway. So we can reduce this to 12,000 divided by 25, 480. 12,000 divided by 11.9, approximately 1,008. Subtract the 2, it gives you 520. How many integers are here? So first, make these thing 2 equations. So I'll make these 2 equations. I don't know if you are following this solution here. But remember, there is this 1 over 1 is less than 5n plus 5. Then if you solve this, we have minus 4 is less than 5n, which is yes, minus 5 is less than 5n, or minus 4 over 5 minus 4 over 5 is less than n. N, oh sorry, yes, is less than n. That is, n is greater than minus 4 over 5. Another solution will be, bring this one down here at 5n plus 5 is less than 25. 5 is less than not 5, not 5. I think let's move this one rather. Let's move 5. 5n is less than 25 minus 5 is 20. So n is less than, n is 20 divided by 5 is 4. So this is n is greater than minus 4 over 5, right? N is greater than minus 4 over 5, and n is less than 4. If you put it like here, we have between 4 and minus 4 over 5. Minus 4 over 5 is just somewhere. If you have minus 1, it's just somewhere here. Okay, so the nearest integer here is 0. The next one is 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. That is 4 integers. So thank you and see you in the next video.